Welcome to VisualParadigm SysML v2 Studio Kickstart Guide. SysML v2 Studio Mastering Guide, Mastering the Workspace. SysML v2 Studio was engineered with a three-pane philosophy to eliminate friction. By separating navigation, creation, and visualization into dedicated zones, this SysML v2 editor ensures that you stay focused on the system architecture. Whether you are browsing a massive library of examples or debugging a complex part hierarchy, everything you need is exactly where you expect it to be. Let's have a look about the anatomy of the SysML v2 Studio. The left pane, Navigation Hub. It consists of 4 sections. The Navigator, your cloud-based file manager for your private and editable projects. The examples, a massive repository of hundreds of read-only reference models. The Model Tree, provide a structure skeleton of the active file for quick navigation. And the AI Assistant, you partner for generating code and analytical report. The center pane, High Performance Editor. This is where your modeling happens. A key feature to notice is the status toolbar at the top of the editor. When you open a file from the examples library, you will see the read-only indicator. This tells you that the file is a protected reference. To edit it, you must first create your own copy. The right pane, Diagram Viewer. It provides a live, interactive visualization of your code with multiple view modes such as tree view, interconnection view, case view, etc. Now let's see how they work together. We start from open a reference file from Examples section in Navigation Hub. The top left of the editor indicate the SysML file is in read-only mode. Try edit the text and you will see it is prohibited. This protect the example, ensure it stays pristine. Switch to Navigator tab and create a new file. The newly created file won't have the read-only label and you can now type and edit freely.